Hello everybody, welcome back to IMAT. Today we are going to have some tests about blood systems. So first question is, the image below shows two structures commonly found in mammals. We should underline important keywords. A light microscope was used to view the sample. Identify the structure labeled X and Y, aligned with one correct feature of these structures. Okay, X has thick muscle layer, and also it has a small lumen, so we can say it is an artery. But in other hand, Y structure or Y structure has not a big small lumen, so Y is a vein. By this knowledge, we can solve this test. X vein, no, okay, this is not true. X not trachea, because trachea it's a structure that windpipe and it's down to lung. Number C, X is artery, okay, X is artery, Y is vein, but the blood in the artery and vein has an important key difference, and it is oxyhemoglobin. Artery because receive blood from the lung and transfer it to other organs in the body, so it has oxyhemoglobin. But vein doesn't have it because the blood which is located in vein releases its oxygen in the lungs. So the correct answer is D. X or artery contains many cells filled with oxyhemoglobin or oxygen which is matched to hemoglobin. For the second question, we have another question about vessels structure. So read it. The table gives the features of three blood vessels in the mammalian circulatory system. Vessel 1, vessel 2, vessel 3. But before check this question, we should have some knowledge. The first one is artery, the second is vein, and another type of vessels is capillaries. Tunica media, smooth muscles. Artery has thicker smooth muscle than vein muscles. Another difference is in tunica externa, arteries have more and thicker elastin and collagen fibers than vein. And for capillaries, we have a key point. We don't have any elastic, smooth muscle or collagen. Why? Because capillaries are responsible for transfer different molecules to extracellular space, which means we have a space between cells, and here we have an capillary, and capillaries have responsible for transfer different molecules like O2, CO2 to out, and glucose, and many type of molecules. So for these questions, the vessel 1, thin layer of a smooth muscle with few elastic fibers, it is vein. Vessel 2, thin layer of elastic fibers and a smooth muscle, it is artery. And no elastic fibers or a smooth muscle, it is capillary. So we should have some careful look between numbers and alphabets. Vein is number vessel 1. Capillary is vessel 3. And artery is vessel 2. So the final and correct option is B.